A technician tore down an engine with 47,000 miles. It looked like it had 200,000. Sludge everywhere. Timing chain stretched. Variable valve timing destroyed. The owner followed the manual's 10,000-mile oil change interval. Never missed one. The manual didn't protect his engine. It protected the manufacturer's marketing. 12 habits that actually push cars past 300,000 miles. And tip number 1 takes 30 seconds and can prevent over $4,000 in damage. Tip number 12. Change your oil every 3,000 to 5,000 miles. That 7,500 or 10,000 mile interval in your manual, it exists for marketing, not durability. In real-world US driving, heavy traffic, extreme heat, short trips, oil degrades far faster than those intervals account for. I've talked to mechanics who are nearly unanimous. 3,000 to 5,000 miles prevents sludge, protects timing chains, and keeps VVT systems healthy long-term. The damage from extended intervals doesn't show up right away. It appears years later. Stretched chains, VVT failures, internal noise that signals where you can't reverse, full synthetic every time, new filter every time. No shortcuts. Trying to save money here is how engines die young. Tip number 11. Transmission fluid partial changes only. Lifetime fluid is one of the most damaging myths in the industry. Transmission fluid breaks down under constant heat and pressure. It accumulates metal particles and clutch debris, even when it still looks red and smells fine on the dipstick. Partial change between 40,000 and 50,000 miles. Never a full flush on a neglected transmission. That loosens debris and can cause more damage than it prevents. Always the exact fluid your manufacturer specifies. Universal fluids are a shortcut to a $3,000 plus rebuild that could have been avoided with one correct partial change. Tip number 10. Timing belt. Don't wait for the manual's limit. The manual says 100,000 miles. That's already risky. Between 40,000 and 60,000, many belts show wear, dryness, and micro cracks. Time matters too. Rubber ages even sitting in a garage untouched for years. When a timing belt snaps, valves and pistons collide. The engine destroys itself internally. No warning, no gradual symptom, just catastrophic failure. Start inspecting at 40,000. Replace the tensioner, pulleys, and water pump at the same time. They work as a system. Saving on one component means paying double later when the cheap part takes out the expensive one. This is where most people think they're covered, and they're not. The next few tips are the maintenance almost everyone skips entirely. Tip number 9. Spark plugs before they fail. Worn plugs don't just cause misfires, they degrade combustion quality, increase fuel consumption, and can destroy the catalytic converter, a $1,000 plus part. Even plugs rated for 100,000 miles rarely last beyond 40,000 to 60,000 in turbocharged or direct injection engines. The heat and pressure are far more demanding than what those ratings were tested against. Use quality plugs matching factory specs. Oil or heavy deposits on a pulled plug? That's a warning sign of deeper issues that needs attention before they get expensive. Tip number 8. Fuel filter replacement. Once it clogs, flow restricts. The fuel pump overworks. Injectors get stressed. Performance drops so slowly you don't notice until real damage has started inside the fuel system. Replace every 20,000 to 40,000 miles, depending on driving conditions. Never use bottom shelf filters. Cheap ones can release debris into the system, and fuel filters aren't designed to be cleaned and reused. Replace, don't recycle. Almost nobody knows this next one, but it's where most engines start dying quickly from the inside out. Tip number 7. Replace all fluids, not just engine oil. Most owners stay consistent with oil changes, then completely ignore everything else. That's the mistake that separates 300,000-mile cars from 150,000-mile ones. Brake fluid absorbs moisture over time. Boiling point drops. Stopping power fades. In extreme cases, complete brake failure. Coolant loses corrosion inhibitors and starts eating aluminum from the inside. Power steering fluid breaks down. pump whine, hard steering, eventual system failure. Schedule brake fluid every 2 years, coolant every 3 years, power steering fluid based on condition and color. This is the unsexy maintenance that makes the biggest difference over 200,000 plus miles of ownership. Tip number 6. Clean the MAF sensor. One of the most overlooked components in an engine bay, the MAF measures incoming air and tells the ECU how much fuel to inject. When it's dirty, the engine runs rich, burns more fuel, loses power, idles rough. Most shops won't check it unless you specifically ask. An $8 can of dedicated MAF cleaner every 10,000 to 15,000 miles delivers immediate results. Faster throttle response, smoother idle, better economy, cheapest performance restoration on any modern engine. Takes less than 5 minutes in your driveway. And stay with me, the remaining tips are the habits that separate drivers who keep cars running for decades from drivers who are always at the shop. Tip number 5. Never ignore unusual noises. Cars don't brake without warning. They warn you first. Clicks, squeaks, vibrations, grinding. Every strange sound is an early alert that something is wearing, loosening, or about to fail. A small noise today could be a timing chain tensioner, a wheel bearing, or suspension play. Catching it early turns a $2,000 repair into a $200 fix. Pay attention to patterns. When, at what speed, under what conditions. Record it on your phone if possible. Most people turn up the music and keep driving. Don't be one of them. That noise is your car asking for help. Tip number 4. Use OEM or equivalent quality parts. Not every aftermarket part is bad, but extremely cheap parts are almost always a problem. Low-quality coils, sensors, brakes, and suspension components compromise the system that they connect to. One inferior part causes premature wear across components that were perfectly fine before the cheap replacement went in. Brands like Bosch, NGK, Denso, and Moog maintain quality for a reason. You're not replacing a part, you're maintaining the balance of an entire system. One bad component starts a chain reaction of failures. Tip number 3. Replace hoses and belts before they fail. Rubber is sensitive to heat and time. Serpentine belts, radiator hoses, vacuum lines, they dry out, crack, and fail while driving. Overheating, electrical loss, steering failure, engine damage. Belts, inspect them regularly. Replace around 40,000 miles. Main coolant hoses every 4 to 5 years, regardless of mileage. Sounds excessive until you've seen an engine destroyed by a $15 hose nobody thought to check. Tip number 2. Build a relationship with one mechanic. Sounds personal, not technical, but it changes everything about your car's long-term survival. A mechanic who knows your vehicle's history catches patterns others miss. They know what's been done, what's aging, what to watch next. They skip unnecessary work because they've watched the car evolve over years of ownership. Jumping between shops feels cheaper short-term, costs more long-term through misdiagnosis, redundant repairs, and missed early warnings. Trust matters as much as any fluid change on this list. Tip number 1. Clean your MAF sensor connector. Here's the 30-second tip I promised, and the one that explains why so many engines slowly get worse despite brand new parts. The electrical connector feeding the MAF signal to the ECU corrodes over time. Green oxidation builds on the pins. The signal degrades. The ECU receives bad data and adjusts fuel delivery wrong. Your engine gets sluggish, burns more fuel, runs through, and no amount of parts replacement fixes it. Because the problem was never the parts, it was the connection carrying the data. Most mechanics misdiagnose this entirely. They replace injectors, swap catalytic converters, reflash ECUs, $4,000 plus in repairs, chasing a problem that a 30-second connector cleaning would have solved. Disconnect the MAF connector. Spray both sides with electrical contact cleaner. Dry completely. Reconnect until the click. $0 cost. 30 seconds. This is the maintenance step that holds the entire system together, and almost nobody does it once in the life of their car. 12 habits. Most take under 30 minutes. A few cost nothing. If you're not doing at least 5 of these, your engine probably won't make it past 150,000 miles. Comment 300K if you're serious about keeping your car long-term. Which tip are you starting with this week? If this changed how you think about maintenance, hit subscribe because the next video might save you even more.